What if I told you that you could have a stunning and professional website up and running and you don't have to be a tech wizard to do it? Stick around because I'm going to share something amazing with you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Hasnain and I help creative entrepreneurs and business owners to build their websites specifically on Squarespace. Usually we talk about plugins, but today we are shifting our gears towards website design. I'll be showcasing my ready-to-made Squarespace templates specifically made for photographers, coach, or those who are looking for something professional. So let's explore the template. So we are on the homepage of this beautiful template, and I'm going to show you not just how it looks, but how easy it is to edit everything to make it your own. Starting from the top, you will notice this super minimal and clean header, your logo at the top, and the navigation menu in the middle, and call to action button on the right side. First things first, let's say you want to change this logo. Click on edit site header, click on site title and logo. See, it's super simple. Just drag and drop your own logo file and it will replace the current one. If you don't have the logo yet, don't worry, you can type here your own business name. Next up in the navigation menu, you can change any of these links to point your own pages like about, portfolio, services, store and contact. Now let's talk about this banner image. This is your chance to make a huge first impression. Changing this image is as easy as clicking the edit section button. Then select on edit section. From the background you can add your images. But to give it a unique look, I have used 3 images over here. You can change these images by clicking over the edit button and you can replace the images. To edit the text, just hover over the text and you can type in your own text. Let's scroll down to the next section of the home page. Here you will want to showcase some of your best shots. To update the images, just click on edit. Just click on the gallery, click on edit. Here you can replace these images by your own images. And if you want to add captions and description for the images, you can do that here as well. And don't worry, if you are not familiar with the editing, you will have our help through the whole process, from setting up the template to swapping in your own content. Now here is a little something special. This is scrolling logo section is powered by one of our premium Squarespell plugin that comes included with the template. This is perfect for showcasing the brands you have worked with. You can add or remove logos very easily. Click on edit, go to this section, click on edit content, hover over the content. Here you can see you can replace the logo over here. Next we have the portfolio section. This is where your work can truly shine. You can update each portfolio item with your own images. Just click on edit. And just like before, adding them is as simple as hitting the edit button and then swapping them in. You can even add links here to individual projects if you want to showcase delighted galleries or blog posts about the shots. After the portfolio section, we have a testimonial over here. Underneath there are 2 images. You can change it by yourself, and there is another testimonial part over here. Let's talk about the Discover Yourself section. This is where you will introduce your brand and really connect with your visitors. It's your story, your why, and what sets you apart from others. Editing this section is as simple as others. We have got the inquiry section. This is where you can want to make it super easy for potential clients to reach out. Last but not least, we have the footer. This section is totally customizable too. You can add your Instagram feed here, links to your social media profiles, or even an extra call to action button. Alright, let's move to the about page. At the top, you have a clean professional layout. This is where you got to tell your story. Your clients want to connect with you, the artist behind the lens, and this template gives you the perfect canvas to do that. This is also room here for testimonial or clients reviews. It's always a good idea to include a few quotes for happy clients to build trust right from the start. Now here is the big one, your portfolio page. This is the heart of your website where you showcase the work that sets you apart from the competition. The layout here is super flexible and easy to customize. You can create different galleries. What's great is that each portfolio item can be displayed with large beautiful images that are optimized for both desktop and mobile viewing. It's responsive, so no matter where your clients are viewing from, they always see your work in the best light. Let's check out the services page. This is crucial if you offer different types of photography or creative services. This template allows you to break your services down into categories so you can easily present them to potential clients. Here you can add a description of each service, whether it's event photography, product shots, or portrait sessions. And don't forget, you can include pricing, packages, or even a downloadable PDF or more detailed information. And finally, we have got the contact page. This page is simple, clean, and gets the job done. There is a built-in contact form that you can customize with whatever fields you need: name, email, project details, you name it. What I love about this is how easy it is for visitors to reach out. And there you have it. And the best part, the template is available at an exclusive discount, and the link is in the description. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Squarespace tips and tricks. I will see you in the next video.